If you've got a little bit of a build-up of any of the product that's sitting in these mixing bowls, it's a simple press of a couple of buttons and away we go. Simply place the cup under each of the 4 nozzles. Press the 2 middle buttons and hold. The screen will read clean, or CLR, and each of these will dispense some hot water into each of the cups and clean out any residue that might be left in the mixing bowls. Nice and simple, easy way to keep your Cool Cafe Jarrah coffee machine nice and neat